Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, we use variables in the
Very
places
good.
of those
Very
unknown
good.
numbers, I guess, ma'am.
Very
Like
good.
A,
Very good.
X. Ma'am,
Yes.
once I saw in my brother's question paper, ma'am, it was written find X, ma'am. So we'll
Very
get
good.
questions like that,
We
ma'am.
are getting, we are solving for X. Very good. Very good, Drona. Good job. Very good. Really, I'll appreciate you because class 6 solve for X. Find the value of X. For not only X, you can find any variables. What are variables? What are constants?
Ma'am, X is the most
Used variable, right? Right, right. What is the other name for variable, children? Yes?
ma'am, alphabet.
No, I'm asking, what is the other name for 1 minute, children? Algebraic expressions. Very important chapter, children. It is one of the pillar for your previous senior classes, senior mathematics classes too. You have in senior classes not only algebraic expressions, different operations on algebraic expressions, solve for X. We have finding variable unknown quantities here. So
Good
these
afternoon, ma'am.
yes, Sriharsha, namaste, Nana. Now, all right for you? Are you able to speak with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes.
right, Harsha, right.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
basically,
Sriharsha, what is algebra?
Ma'am, algebra means which is minus the numbers which are minus, ma'am.
Suppose you know arithmetic. What is arithmetic, children? This is a general arithmetic. Yeah, Varnika. What is arithmetic statements? Yes, arithmetic is nothing but we are using in numbers, right? This is arithmetic statement. 2 plus 4 is 6. Yes, what is this? This is nothing but
It's an equation.
arithmetic equation. Arithmetic equation. Whereas, whereas instead of numbers, if I'm using numbers, both numbers and variables, what is this?
Ma'am,
Algebra.
X.
Ma'am,
Algebraic.
that's algebra.
Very good. This
Ma'am,
is
2x is also 2 into x and yes, ma'am.
very good, very good. We will learn step by step, children. It's nothing but algebra is nothing but generalized arithmetic, children. Instead of numbers, we are using variables in algebraic expressions, right? Did you understand the first statement, what I said?
Yes.
Right, children. It's very, very
ma'am,
important. Please remember, instead of numbers, we are using variables. So,
ma'am,
what? Yes, Drona.
ma'am, can you display one more example equation, ma'am?
For algebraic expressions,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
This is the
7x plus
yeah. You can write
4y.
algebraic expression means we can write x plus 5 equal to 7. You can solve for x. You can
Ma'am,
find
x is 2, ma'am.
Yes,
x
ma'am.
is very good. X
2.
is 2. If what number if you place here, 2 plus 5 is only 7. What is the value of x here? X is a variable.
2.
X is a variable. But 5, 7 numbers are 5 and 7 are constants. Constant is a symbol.
Ma'am, in an equation, no, the variable should not have. If there are two variables used like x and x, one x should not should having the value 2 and one x having the value 3. It's not correct, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Yeah. That is
Ma'am, I didn't understand what he said. Ma'am.
no. Actually, he said, ma'am, it's a x plus 3x is there and in this case, x values is similar. It's not very x values in this is very same. Suppose x I'm taking 3 here, 3 into 3 again, 3 into 3, 9. Like that you're supposed to take, right? You're asking that only?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when a variable is repeated in an equation, the same variable which is the first time when it is used, sorry, both of the times it needs to have the same value, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Not only this, children, first listen the basic part. I will help you. Basic, I will help you. Arithmetic statements, arithmetic equations means we are very familiar because we are learning from our class second, class third, class fourth, class addition. Maybe it is addition, maybe it is subtraction, maybe it is multiplication or division. Anything, we know that numbers 2 plus 4 or 6 minus 3 or 8 divided by 2 or 3 multiplied with 4. These all are arithmetic expressions. Instead of numbers, if you use variables, what are variables? So in arithmetic, we are using constants. Constant is a symbol that does not change its value. For example,
Ma'am,
1,
can I
2,
tell some examples?
yeah. Shall I clear
Ma'am,
the screen? Shall I
4, ma'am.
clear
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So that we can go with the step by step. Constant. First put heading constant. Very important, children. Please, each and everything is important here.
Ma'am, variable
Constant.
does not have a fixed value and constant
Yes,
has a
ma'am.
fixed value.
Yes, very good. Constant is a symbol that does not change its value. You suppose I'm taking
Example 4,
suppose
ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 chocolate. Number 4 means it's only the value is 4 only, nothing changed here. So whereas these are nothing but constant. You have to write a constant is a symbol that does not have changed the value, or it's a constant is a fixed number. Constant is a fixed number. Suppose if fixed, so 2 is a number fixed. We can't 2. Number 2 means 2. That's all. We can't number 2. We can't vary here. Suppose instead of numbers, letters are used to denote numbers are called literals, children. I will write that each and every definition. Please try to write the definitions, children. Just a constant. A constant is a symbol. A constant is a symbol. A constant is a symbol that does not change the value. That
Has
does
a
not.
fixed value.
Yes, it's fixed value. Very good. It's change its value. Examples, you can take these examples here, children. This is about constant. It is very clear. We are learning the constants from class 1 onwards. So no need to worry here. Now, letters are used to denote the numbers are called literal numbers.
Ma'am, Sri
Example,
Harsha was playing with his gun, ma'am.
Sri Harsha. Harsha, are you
Ma'am,
exiting the class?
Ma'am, I'm keeping it the side, ma'am.
No, Harsha, please don't do this.
Excuse me,
Please
ma'am.
arm your cans, children. That's why I'm asking. Arm your cans. Children, please concentrate. Do you know yesterday sir posted some PG results in the group? Who are very honestly doing their work? Those are the winners in that list. I can truly appreciate those students. They are very sincere towards their work. Very,
Ma'am,
very sincere towards their work.
ma'am,
Yes.
actually my webcam, like, it has a problem from few days.
Okay.
All the objects are becoming black.
Okay. Please try to correct those.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Drona.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, authentic equations are just the sums of Dimas, right, ma'am?
Plus, minus,
Yes, ma'am.
2 and
Yes, ma'am.
division.
Division,
Are
multiplication,
arithmetic.
addition, subtraction, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
All
those are
right.
arithmetic.
Right, arithmetic.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very
Ma'am.
good.
Thank you.
Very good. Right, Drona. Very good. Be active like that in the class. I really appreciate you. Your interest, your towards positive nature. Next, come on, children, please. Oh, Karthik. Gagan Karthik, are you there, ma? Gagan? Yes, Karthik, are you there? Karthik, did you understand what is constant? Constant is a fixed value. It doesn't change its value. So examples you can take 2, 3, 4, so on. Coming to next definition, children. Letters are used. Letters.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you, Gagan. Any
Yes,
network?
ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, whether I thought maybe my voice you're getting or not. I just tested rather than it. Yeah. Next, letters are used. You just see, children.
Variables.
Very good. Letters are used. Letters are letters use it to denote. Letters use it to denote numbers. Instead of numbers, they're using the letters to denote are called what? Ashwath Reddy, he already
Are called
said
variables.
variables are literal numbers. Variables are literals. Or literal. Literal means Literal. The word meaning literal means it's not fixed. It's vary. Vary means varies. Varies means changes, continuously changes. Varies means continuously changes, variables. Suppose we will take a group of elephants are grazing the field. So we can say there are X number of elephants are there. We don't know how many count. So we are just taking as X. What is X? We don't know the number. Instead of number, we are using the variable like X. So that's a variable. Children, please write variables. Generally, we can represent with the lowercase alphabets. X, Y, Z. Not only this, even we can use A to Z. A, B, C, so on up to Z. Any alphabet you can use. Lowercase letters we can use for your variables or literals. Here, literal unknown terms, children. We don't know variable. A literal number can called a variable or unknown term. Unknown term, we don't know exactly what it is. If any condition is given, we are going to find out the value of X. But literal is a number. Literal is also called as a variable or unknown term. So variables can be represented with the lowercase letters A, B, C, so on up to Z. It is not fixed, children. Variables can be vary. Vary means changes. Next one. Now my question for my students. Write variables in the following. Yes, am I audible to you, children?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Right, Daksh. Now I said already for you constants and variables. Write the variables in each of the following. Write the variables. Variables means alphabets. When variables in each of the following. Each of the following. Here 2x y. What are variables, children? Here variables are nothing but
X, Y, ma'am.
x, comma,
Ma'am,
y.
2xy is also 2 into x into y, right?
That's all. There are two variables, two letters, two alphabets we have. Suppose another example, if I'm taking minus 5a, what is variable here?
A.
A, ma'am.
A. The same way you please go with 2 by 3 x. What is variable here, children?
X, ma'am. X.
Yes. So minus y. What is variable here? So minus y means minus 1 into y. So y is the variable. Like that, variables, now you are perfect with variables. Variables, we can call it as a literals too. Literals means variables. Yes. Shall I clear, children? Yes. Now the next word, variable can take any value assigned, children. Variable can take 1, 2, 3, any value. It's not fixed. We can take any value. It can be positive or even though negative or zero also, children. That's very important. Please write down that point. Variable can take today's class little like some theoretical part, children. Please try to understand the theory also, because the basic is very important. Variable can take any value, any value. It can be positive, it can be positive, it can be positive or negative, it can be positive or negative or zero, right? Variable can take any value. It can be positive or negative or zero. Next important word, coefficient. What is coefficient, children? Any one of you, please. The coefficient is nothing but is one that factor of its product. Suppose 5xy. In 5xy, what is coefficient of xy, children? One of the factor of the product. Well, let me help you. The coefficient, what are you supposed to find out? Very, very important, children. You have in the next class too the coefficient concept. After this, I will give you exercise sums to you so that you can solve those. Yes. Next, coefficient. Next heading. Coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient is one of the factor of the product. Coefficient is, it is one of the factor of the product. It is one of the factor of the product. Factor of the product. Yes, it is one of the it is one of the factor of the product. The numerical part is called a numerical coefficient, and the literal number is called a literal coefficient. Children, it's very, very important. The numerical part is called a numerical coefficient, and the literal number is called a literal coefficient. Suppose, let me give with the coefficient. Examples you have to write, children. Coefficient, numerical coefficient or coefficient, both are very similar. Numerical coefficient, particularly we are taking number part. Suppose 5x. 5x, what is the coefficient of 5x, children? 5. Why? Because we can write 5 into x. What I said, children, it is one of the factor of the product. So what is the these 5x can be written as 5 into x. Yes. So here what is coefficient of x is nothing but, therefore write down, children. Coefficient of x is 5. X is 5. Yeah. There are few conditions. No? Let me give each and everything. Then you have to ask your doubts. Please let me complete that. Next. Next, Nana. Next, second example. Minus 4x. What is coefficient of x, children? You just leave x, whatever the portion is there. You just write that rest of the portion. Minus 4. Suppose I'm asking a coefficient of 9CB. So here there are two variables. So what is the coefficient of 9CB? You just remove CB, the variable part you remove. What is coefficient of numerical coefficient of CB here? Numerical means number you're supposed to take, Nana. Positive 9. Suppose minus 2mn. What is you just leave mn. Minus 2. Very good. Minus 2.
Ma'am, that means variables cannot be the quotient, ma'am. Because
Generally,
those are unknown numbers.
Yeah, generally, suppose some conditions, particularly they will mention, children, how they will mention, let me, suppose the same example you take, suppose suppose I'm taking minus 4xy, they're asking what is coefficient of y. So in this condition, what is coefficient of y, children? They're asking y coefficient. You just leave y, whatever portion is extra portion, that is the coefficient, minus 4x. Yes, did you understand, children, what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, particularly, any condition is given. Any condition is given. Then you have to mention exact, children. So, coefficient of y is nothing but minus 4x. Minus 4x. Suppose next question, let me check. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 mn. What is coefficient of n, children?
Ma'am, minus 1 by 2 m, ma'am.
Very good. Whatever they're asking, you just leave and the rest of the portion is the coefficient, children.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
remember.
Except the variable itself, the remaining part is the quotient, ma'am.
Coefficient, and one more thing, sometimes the particularly mentioned numerical coefficient. In this case, what is numerical coefficient? Only number part you're supposed to write. What is numerical coefficient, children? Minus 1 by 2. Now you understand, if any particular case they are given either x or y coefficient, you can go with the rest of the part. If particularly they mentioned as
Now, how will y be a coefficient, ma'am?
what, ma, Ashwath, please give me a
Ma'am, how can the variable be a coefficient, ma'am?
see, suppose minus 5 x square, sorry, minus 5x square y. So I'm asking about what is the coefficient of y. Coefficient
minus 5x2, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Minus y.
x square. Suppose in the same question, I'm asking what is the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient.
5.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
So
5.
literal.
minus 5. Minus 5. Numerical coefficient means only number part you have to take. Okay, you take only constant part including sign. Understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is NC, children, here?
Numerical, ma'am.
Yeah, numerical coefficient. Yes, I hope you understand this part. Shall we move to another part, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next, when the numerical coefficient is either +1 or -1, the term will be just the literal number. The suppose, let me go with a few examples so that you will understand more easily. Suppose numerical coefficient of minus x square. So in this case, I didn't see any number part. So what I can write here, children? Shall I take no number means shall I take 1 into any number is same number, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is numerical coefficient right now?
-1, ma'am.
Nothing is there means you can take as 1, children. Okay, children, here why I'm taking -1. Here the sign is negative x square. That's why you are getting -1. Right,
Okay.
you understand? This is one more important thing you have to remember. Next one. Next one. Suppose sometimes I'm writing like just before example also I'm writing like a square, x cube, and not only m to the power 7. What is the are called exponential numbers, children? Are called m power 7, are called exponential powers. Why we are called as exponential powers or powered numbers? You see, power means on the top of the a I'm writing 2, on the top of x I'm writing 3, on the top of m I'm writing 7. What is this? These are
Ma'am,
Because they are powered variables, ma'am.
yeah, these are powered numbers, children. Powered numbers are also called as an exponential numbers. What is this?
Exponential numbers, ma'am.
Very good. Please write that points, children, because they are using such a words, new words means you don't feel like innocent faces. You just please exponential numbers. Exponential. These are math terminology. Exponential numbers are powered numbers. Power. You will also get power, right? Sometimes you are doing this properly means powered numbers. Powered means
Ma'am,
power.
example x to ma'am 2 to the square.
Yeah, 2
power
to the power. Very good. These all are examples only. Or else you can go with examples. 2 to the power 7, 3 power
Ma'am means,
minus 6.
ma'am means how much power is there? We should multiply it that many times.
Times. Wonderful, wonderful, Harsha. Very good, very good. You have how much power is there? That many times you will multiply, right? You understand, children? Suppose, let me take one example and help you.
Ma'am, can I tell one example?
Please, Harsha. Harsha, very good, Harsha. Very
Ma'am,
good.
suppose we will take 3 to the power of 7 means we should do 3
Nana,
into
take small number, Nana. Take small number. 3
okay,
to the
ma'am.
power 4.
3 to
or
the
else
power
three-
of 4. Ma'am, we can take 3 to the power of 4.
Okay, 3 to the power 4. That means
Ma'am,
power how many times
3
you
3 into 3 into 3 into 3 we should do.
very good. 3 into 3 into 3. Power
Ma'am,
how much
that
you
means we should not do 4 into 3 because they are asking to multiply. They are not asking to add them.
have powered numbers. That's why it's exponential numbers. It's a powered. It's a powered numbers. It's not normal numbers like a normal multiplication. You're going with a 3 into 4. It's absolutely wrong. If you do like, it's an absolutely wrong. Why? Because these are powered numbers. Power means how much power you have, that many times the number you're supposed to multiply and give the result. Right? Shall I? 2 to the power 4. What is the value of 2 to the power 4, children? Yes.
Ma'am, 2
Ma'am,
to the power 4 is 2 into 4, ma'am. 2 4 times, ma'am.
So it's not.
16.
Ma'am, it's 8, ma'am.
This is your
16.
value. Suppose if I'm asking x square means how you will write, Nana?
Ma'am, x into x.
Very good. X into x. Suppose I'm asking about a cube. How you supposed to write?
Ma'am, A into A
A
into
into
A.
A into
into 3.
Yeah. Now you understand, children, what are powered numbers?
yes, ma'am.
Right. This will also we will use in our this chapter. Don't think, ma'am, I didn't get these powered numbers. What is this powered numbers? Powered numbers also call it as exponential and the powers in your senior classes, children. That is one chapter, very important chapter for you in class 7, class 8, class 9. You have consecutive years that chapter is have. We will learn those basic things here. not a complete structure here. We will learn only basic things. Suppose, suppose many things you said. In this 3 is called exponent, A is called base, children. That part also please write down, children.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Yeah. Suppose, for example, if I'm taking x to the power 4. 4 is nothing but here x is called, x is base, children. X equal to base. What is x? We call it as base.
Base.
It is the base. 4 we can call it as index, Nana. 4 we can call it as index. Index or power. Index. General, our one words we are writing as power or exponent also we will use. Or exponent. Generally, index is the word. Index or exponent. Generally, we will use power, the power also. These are the new things you're supposed to keep in your mind, children. Base, what is base, what is index, what is an exponent. If suppose I'm asking one question for you,
Yes, ma'am.
5 to the power, sorry.
5 is the base and?
No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Some y power -8.
-8 is the exponent and y is the base.
Base is y. Exponent is?
Exponent is -8.
Exponent
or power or
index. Some words index they're asking children, don't worry about that. This is also very same like exponent only.
Ma'am, bases are variables, right, ma'am?
Base is not only variables, even numerical
ma'am,
part.
how can an exponent be a negative number, ma'am?
We can, children. If suppose under sea level you are going, you want to measure the length, you can even that you will learn little later, children. Don't worry about that. Negative integers you are learning, right? Integers you are learning or not? Why negative integers will learn, children? What is the use of negative integers? Why we use that negative integers?
Ma'am, for
Ma'am, if you have to,
Yeah, same thing, children.
ma'am, if you have
Temperatures.
Yes, same
given
thing.
somebody,
Yeah, negative quantities we are taking means the same thing, exponential form also negative will happen. Don't worry about that, that we will learn later. Yes, children. Yes, shall we move with some whatever we learned to today's class? Shall we go with a small test? What
yes,
is
ma'am. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because if I'm teaching many things, you
Drona,
will
your
feel,
voice is echoing. You're telling yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yeah. Next
ma'am, what are
thing,
you saying?
no,
Now?
children, whatever the things we discussed right now, what are variables, what are literals, what is nothing but literals are variables, what is coefficient, what is an exponent, what is a power, the index, what is a base, these things, whatever the things we learned, we'll go with a small test, children, right now. Okay? Can you play basic quiz on this, sir? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, children. Let me.
Drona, if you don't have any doubt, can you lower your hand?
Yeah, children, please mute yourself, children. Just a minute, children. I'll share the part. If I'm teaching more also, this is a very new chapter to you. So you will go with the step-by-step increasing speed of this chapter. At a time, I'm teaching many things means you can't. Okay, today we'll go with a small quiz on this. Children, please stay some time because it takes time to load the page. One minute, children. Yeah, what are the different things we discussed? Ashwa 3D, please can you revise all the points what we
Ma'am, we
discussed today?
learned about variables, constants, and we learned about
Authentic equations, ma'am.
Very
this
good.
arithmetic equations, ma'am, and also this powered
About the
numbers,
basis, ma'am. Basis index.
basis and powered numbers, and we also learned
Ma'am, about
we also
Okay.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Taking 10 minutes with a small quiz we will do, children, so that you can strengthen in
Ma'am,
that.
how many questions, ma'am?
10 to 15 questions we will go, not more than that, because you are also going to school nowadays. I'm not going to take much of yours. Okay, you be enjoy, children. Happy learning is very important for students' career. No, there are 20 questions. I'll share all 20 questions. Okay, children, is it okay for you? 20 questions?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good. It's good. Exactly.
Equation means equal to sign, children. Don't worry about, ma'am, equation you didn't teach. You just try your level, children. Okay, maybe it is beyond from your level. Okay, you can, 1 minute, children. No, children, this is a big little. No, that's class 7. It is more than your level. I won't take that. Go with your level.
Ma'am, did you give the link?
Not it, ma. There is 15 questions. Let me check. Yeah, 15 questions I'm taking. You try, children, but I think so. This is also more than your level. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you can search class 6.
Class
Yes,
6
ma'am.
only, but it's like some statements are given, children. Framing an expression is
Ma'am,
there.
ma'am, then you can go to create and you can search a lot of questions from. You can add some questions from different quiz.
Yeah.
From the net, yes, ma'am. But ma'am, we don't have a lot of We have just 10
Now
minutes.
we have very less time, right? 1 minute.
Ma'am, you can even remove questions, ma'am, I guess, in the quiz.
Yeah. We'll see, children.
Yes, ma'am.
It takes time, children. Okay. Anyway, at last I got one 15 marks. Okay. Okay, children, I'll share the quiz. If it is beyond from level also, you don't worry about that part.
We just have now 6 minutes left.
Okay, I'll share. You just play, children.
Okay. ma'am.
And you can leave the meet.
Ma'am, how many questions, ma'am?
Only 15 questions now.
Ma'am, it will take approximately, oh my god, 1 minute. It's not 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. If you do fast, if Fiji students,
7.5 minutes, ma'am.
do you know Fiji students every alternative days they will practice more than 120 questions, within 45 minutes of time.
Ma'am,
children.
ma'am, my brother is in Fiji, ma'am.
Did you check any time, Sri Harsha, how fast they are doing sums? Did you check about?
Yes, ma'am. 4 hours class will be.
Yeah. Class will be 4 hours. Even every alternative days, they will write a test for 125 questions. Test they will write. Please join the quiz, children. Once you join, I will leave the meet, children, because I have another class. You can play. I will
Ma'am,
post results
tomorrow
later.
can we talk about the results, ma'am?
Yeah, I will post the result in our group, children. Don't
Yes,
worry
ma'am.
about the part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please join quickly. Yes, I can see students. Yeah, Varnika, Daksh, 4 are joined. More 2 students need to join. Harsha, Varnika, Daksh, Drona, and Ashwath, Yadharth Ratna. Ashwath, Yadharth, please join quickly. Yes, Yadharth joined. Yeah. Hacker Pro 666 Ashwath came. Okay, I'll start game. All the best for you, children. I will leave the meet, children. Don't worry for my. Don't wait for my presence. You can continue your test. Yeah, Sriharsha, your login from 2 devices is not acceptable, please.